Wow. You like that? You like that? Say hey, say hey.
That's crazy.
Let's go down here. Yeah. Hey. Look, they got a countdown right there until showtime. Look.
That's pretty cool.
That one looks cool. Oh, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Let's go walk over here while they're doing it.
Oh, they're starting out.
Oh. Come on, let's get over here. Yes, sir. You like that? Yeah.
You seen the Teslas doing it too?
Oh, the Teslas? Come on. Hey. Keep flexing. Big flex. Skateboard. Yes, sir. You could go out. Go up. You wanna?
Oh, look at the paint job on that.
Oil spill. We got that?
That's a cool paint job.
You like that? Oh, what you think about it, baby? Accent? You like it? It's accent approved? Let's go down here, baby. Yeah, that's it for her, baby boy. What's that? What's that? You see that? Look. Where's the one? Did you see that? Where's Mama?
That's pretty cool.
Come on. You like that? Allah, you like it?
Oh, they're doing the
They're doing them all now? Yeah. You like that?
My life is crazy. Make it a turn. Emma, do you need your crutches? Emma.
Look at mama. You gotta get mama.
How many Cybertrucks are there?
Uh-oh. Dun, dun, dun. Oh.
Okay, yeah.
Oh, shit. I'm gonna go that way. Woo! Look at Axel. He said, "Ooh." Oh.
Yay!
Okay,
Oh, they're not done.
2.
Come on, babe. Excuse me, excuse me. Whoa, crazy. Crazy.
Let me take a video.
Woo! Yeah. Oh, that's not it. Oh, there's the grand finale. We could go to the.
Scruffy looking nerf herder.
Who's scruffy looking?
Yeah, baby boy.
Why?
I find your lack of faith disturbing.
Taylor Swift, ready for it. Fine, we're gonna do that again, but now that it's dark.
Excuse me. Oh shit. Woo! I like that blue one. I like the blue one. It looks good, right? Blue.
No.
Crazy shit going on right now. We got moms right now.